It's a nice yellowfin. On the shrimp, go shrimp, huh?
Go shrimp, yes.
Wow.
So
Good
one
job.
Shrimp and one on blood run.
Wow. Good job, my friend. Now he has 2 fish. No skunk.
Otro más.
Otro más. The fish started bite now.
Bloodworm.
They told that one was on bloodworm, huh?
Yes. And then the gold shrimp.
That's a perch.
Gold shrimp is stolen.
Yeah. The percentage is only 8%.
Yes. Yeah.
But the fish is biting.
Yes. Yes.
And Paulo has a yellowfin croaker. There's the yellowfin. Some nice fish. Good job, Paulus.